Hello, today I would like to present you process of replacing hard disk drive in Apple Time Capsule, that is also a router. Here you've got the model number of our device. As you can see, I've got this back cover already lifted. I done that using hot air station. I was just warming up the glue and working up my way using these pliers from all the angles. And here you can see the sticky glue. Sadly, I was too impatient, and as you can see, I've got it broken. But in general, we've got a good success, and it's going to be looking almost like brand new. You can replace the hard disk drive by two reasons. First is when the device is going to fail, or when you would like to just upgrade your capacity. Here we've got a 1 terabyte model, but after replacing our drive, we are going to get 3 terabytes, which is, in my personal opinion, absolutely accepted as today's standard, since my MacBook Pro got just a half of terabyte, so I will be able to keep couple of full hard disk drive snapshots, so it is still usable as 2023. After exposing the bottom part, we are going to undo all those tiny Phillips screws, and of course I will help myself using my beautiful screwdriver, and it should go pretty quickly. I can see 2 screws here, but I'm not sure if we are required to remove them, so let me give it a try. It looks like we managed to remove it. Here we've got a fan. It is important not to rip out our cord. Here we've got the electromagnetic interference conductive foam, like a metallized one. Here we've got our fan. And this is our regular SATA hard disk drive. I'm not sure if someone was already working on that unit, because this does not look like something that came straight from factory. So yeah, I think there was someone before me. Here we've got the temp sensor, so it is quite important to transplant it to new drive. And I'm not sure. Let's take a look what kind of hard disk drive did we get. Is this a genuine Apple? Because maybe someone replaced it. No, this is a genuine Apple 1 terabyte drive. So let me swap it out with my. We go just like this. We are going to find a similar spot for the temp probe, and I will add a little bit of Kapton tape to make sure it will not go away. So we are going to be measuring temp in that area. That looks quite good. I'm wondering, does this drive need to be screwed in? But maybe it's just being held by those shock absorbing mounts. So maybe it do not require anything. So let me try to put it back and see, does it going to be rattling? I think we can get a pass. So I believe someone was already working on that unit. Let me screw it back. So maybe I was not the person who ripped the silicone cover, the bottom one. Maybe it was already torn. A rattling around test. I think it's good enough. And we take a look at the back, and I believe it go like this. So if we would apply a little bit of glue, you would not see the difference. And now we are going to try to hook it up to my computer, and we are going to see the airport utility, and we are going to try to format it out. So we are going to see in front of our MacBook computer. I'm in front of my MacBook. We are going to hit the network tab, and as you can see, I've got the airport time capsule. We are going to click it, and we are going to do a first configuration. As you can see, we are being asked for our name and the base station name, and we are going to enter password. Okay, that part is done. I will skip creating network because I've got a mesh, so I'm looking forward to skip it. We are going to continue. And let's take a look what's going to happen. Time capsule has been updated. Beautiful. We are going to connect to that network. And I will disable the access point mode, because I would like to just use it as my time capsule with the 3 terabyte drive. We've got setup completed. We've got our time capsule detected by the airport utility. We've got some sort of problems, but most likely that's because I'm not connected internet to the device. But let's take a look what we've got. So we've got our IP address. We are going to internal disk needs repair. Yeah, we definitely need to reinitiate it. Let's take a look. I will hit the erase disk. Quick erase. Airport disk. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, this is what we would like to do. We would like to get our 3 terabytes. So let's take a look. Does it doing something? Cancel erase. So most likely our task is being processed. So give it a moment. We can see that our alert has gone. And we've got more alerts about the DNS, internet connection, internet unplug. Absolutely beautiful. And we've got an update. So let's do it right now. Or maybe let's skip it for now. I will set up the network. I would like to remove that. We are go into the bridge mode. This is exactly what I want. Let's hit update and continue. Let me disable the wireless radio. I will just turn it off and we are going to hit continue. And I don't want the Wi-Fi to be acting as the access point. I would like to get rid of that. We do not need to have any possible entry point, just in case it is a old device and there will be some security hole. So I would like to have my radio off. Absolutely beautiful. Let's try to update the firmware. And let's see what's going to happen. Does it going to fail? Or it's going to end up as a success? Let's give it a try. And as you can see, it was beautifully restarted. We've got all green lights. Let's see, can we back up to our new drive? So we go into the time machine settings. We are going to be adding our drive, airport disk, setup disk, and does it going to be connect? It's mounting. And as you can see, everything is working fine. We need to encrypt our backup. Let's click done. And as you can see, we've got 3 terabytes available. So we've got absolutely beautiful success. This is how you do it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.